You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words correctly in English. The top word is what you sleep on, a bed. You have an E sound here. Bed. The bottom word is when you gamble, you place a bid. So very, very similar sound, but this is an E sound. Bid. Bid is how to say it. So top word bed, bottom word bid. Bid, bed, bid. Can you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Bed, bed. Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.